Hi, Mark Reedy here. In this video I'm going to show you real quickly how to run an inspections due and past due report and how to set the date in advance so you can see everything coming up over the next year, for example. And so these are the inspections that are underneath what comes from us is a 90-day inspection tab. This particular database, they've set it up for 365-day inspections. You can see the video on that underneath tatems.com/help for the 90-day inspections tab to see how to change that. But if we go over here to reports and then more reports, and then we're going to choose inspections, and then we're going to choose this one at the top called periodic inspections due and past due. Now you could do the one by customer, that would group it by customer, or if you've selected the customer field on the equipment summary page to be like a department or some other entity in your organization, you could use that if you want to group stuff that way. But this top one will just give you the list of equipment. And so what we're going to do here is we're going to choose due date from, and we want to go back in time so we catch everything that might have been missed in the past. So I'm going to use 1/1 of 2000, so 01-01-2000, and then I'm going to choose a year from today, maybe the end of October 2020, so we'll say. So 10-31-2020. And then we're just going to go ahead and preview that. Now you can see this is sorting right here by equipment number. And so we see here that it shows us stuff that's coming up due in June of 2020. Currently, as I record this, it's October 2nd of 2019. So this shows you stuff coming up due. We can see stuff that's past due. Here's a 27 that was not done, or 2017 rather. There is some other stuff that's not done in here. So now I'm going to go ahead and show you, if we sort this by, you can have three choices for sorting. So you can sort it by equipment number, you can sort it by sort order number, which is the numeric value that you can assign to a piece of equipment on the equipment summary page, and then or by next inspection due. I'm going to choose that one. Now I'm going to click preview. Now we can see here the oldest one that was due is at the top, and if we go to the end of this report, we can see the next one or the last one that's going to be due on this, which is October 1st of 2020. Alright, so that basically just shows you equipment number, description, the last time it was done, the next time it's due, and it's a very simple, easy to use report. Hopefully that's helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Take care.